Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fastlane Classic Cars in St. Charles, Missouri, and this is not a Jeep Gladiator. That's my boss honking at me. I know it looks like a Jeep Gladiator, but this is kind of a precursor and way cooler in every single way than any Jeep Gladiator. This started life as a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, and it's been converted into this, the Brute double cab, by a company called AEV, or American Expedition Vehicles. Now, I have the original window sticker for the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon that this was before this amazing conversion happened, if you want to see that on our website. But I'm going to focus on all the upgrades that AEV did, because you can kind of understand where this started and how it's been built into what it is now. So when AEV got this Jeep to do this conversion, standard, this is what they did to it. Heat reduction hood, stamped steel front bumper, the worn Xeon winch, front skid plate, off-road lighting, color matched painted top, painted interior hardtop, stamped steel rear bumper water storage tanks, underbed spare tire carrier, high mount stop lamp, cord composite bed, spray and bed liner, a tinted windshield banner, AEV badges, AEV logo headrests, AEV jack base, AEV instrument cluster, and an AEV lug wrench extension. So that's what came standard, and that's before the optional equipment that AEV put on this Jeep. First things first, under the hood, no longer the tiny little V6 that came in the Wrangler from stock. This now has a 5.7 liter VVT Hemi conversion. That's right, this thing is now as torquey and loud and fast as it looks. This one actually has an inch higher lift than the standard AEV suspension. This is a 4.5 inch lift. It's got the SATA wheel upgrade, BF Goodrich 37-inch mud terrain tires instead of 35s that would have come standard with the AEV kit. It also got the short ram snorkel intake, Dynatrac 60 rear axles and Dynatrac 44 front axles with an AEV rear differential cover. Also, I have pictures of the underneath of this Jeep on our website, www.fastlanecars.com, so you can see how awesome it looks under there if you want to go look at that. That's got 456 gear upgrade in the front. It's got the IPF headlamp upgrade, IPF HID off-road light upgrade. It's got the AEV F1 leather seat upgrade in it as well. AEV splash guards, painted fender flares, Brute rock rails, and the tonneau cover. They took a pretty cool looking Jeep, the Wrangler Rubicon is pretty cool, but they made it perform like it should perform, and they put a truck bed on it, kind of like the Gladiator that came after it. But this is way cooler than any Gladiator I have ever seen. It has so many awesome, very stout, strong upgrades on it. The conversion looks extremely clean. It still has all the nice 2017 Jeep features too. It's got buttons on the steering wheel, big screen, Alpine head unit here in the middle. It's got the stock Jeep shifter and stuff, so the whole console area kind of the same, heated seats, but now with upgraded axles, lift kit, big tires, and a truck bed on it, and a Hemi, it's even better. Now, I'm really excited to hear this thing and take it for a spin, so I'm gonna start it up real quick, and then I'm gonna go grab Chris, and we're gonna take this thing for a drive. Nice. Make sure he closes his door all the way. Sounds good. Brute double cab. Oh, he's got the lights on. Got the bed cover up here. Looks really nice. Big steel bumpers like I was talking about earlier. Splash guards. Massive wheels and tires. Here you go. And look at these super awesome seats. They are amazing. And they're heated. Oh. And you definitely need this grip here to get in, because there's no step.
There's no step.
And with the 4.5 inch lift and 37-inch mud terrains, it's pretty high off the ground.
Oh, Jake, it's got this.
Oh, backup camera.
That's important.
Yeah, it's got this massive Alpine touchscreen that looks very at home. Like, it looks like it's supposed to be here. Very nice. Put it in drive.
Oh, here we go.
Wow, we got HDMI, auxiliary, vehicle info.
Oh, and look up there in front of us. Watch this. Lights.
Oh, you can see them in the door.
It's got the same logo on it. Very nice.
Nice. The AEV.
Very nice. AEV logo. I love the hood.
American Expedition Vehicles, I believe, is what that stands for.
Well, this is quite a great upgrade.
Yeah. You got it on the handle here too.
You really can't forget it. I love this.
The gauges are also awesome. Oh, look at that rev counter. It like lights.
It does
lights up a little bit. 20,000 miles, by the way.
Oh, there's no miles on this.
There's no miles on this thing. I'm assuming this was converted as a brand new Jeep. Like, I don't think it was a Jeep with miles on it. I think it was literally bought brand new.
Bought new and then upgraded. Love this handle.
Yeah, you got
That's
the
stout.
handles up here so you can get in and out a little easier. The center console, for the most part, is stock Jeep, it looks like. The shifter and the heated seat buttons down here and all of that. This screen, like I said, obviously different. Steering wheel looks like stock Jeep wheel. Very nice.
Wow, it sounds good, but man, I mean, like, everything is really solid.
Oh,
You could
very
pull
solid,
on stuff.
yeah.
I love it.
I mean, this wasn't cheap.
No, this is quite an upgrade.
We have a picture of all the option sheet, you know, from AEV with everything of, God, I can't
He's
talk.
going to get there. He's going to get there, folks. I know you will.
We have the option sheet from AEV that shows everything that this Jeep got during the conversion. And so the Jeep itself is 48 grand, brand new.
Brand new.
And then, you know, you have to spend a lot of money to do all this. So that'll be on the website, www.fastlanecars.com. You can see all that there, but this, yeah, they did it right. It feels like a production vehicle. This is before the Gladiator. I don't know, when did the Gladiator come out? It had to have been around this time.
It was afterwards,
It was after.
yes. But this is a Jeep, but you don't hear anything rattling, do you?
No, this thing's solid. They did a very, very good job. And this is what a Gladiator should be. It looks meaner looking. It's got awesome off-road lights, a winch, a sweet hood, and a Hemi.
It does have a sweet hood and a Hemi.
Even the back seat's got the seat upgrade from AEV.
Love the leather. Love the heated. I'm feeling it.
It is very nice. I bet you that Jeep copied this company when they made the Gladiator because it looks just like it.
Yeah, and this was, you said it's 20 years on that receipt I saw. And so they'd been in business 20 years before 2017.
On the headrest, it says 20th anniversary.
97.
So I'm assuming this company's been around for a while.
97.
Been doing this.
Well, they do a remarkable job, and hats off to you. Vehicle info. Oh, look at that.
Oh, we can do tire pressures, battery voltage in here.
It says my car door's
Oh,
open.
gauges.
Sure,
Look at that. You can set up trans, temp, fuel. Oh, you need an OBD2 thing. Cancel.
Look at that, though.
Got so much stuff. Auxiliary, Bluetooth, of course. You got your radio in here, HDMI. Your phone, you can call through here. So it's basically just like a modern car. I like that it doesn't take up the entire console, though.
No, it does not, but it's in perfect
Like, you know the new Ram trucks? It's literally like a 20-inch pad that goes from top to bottom.
It's a bit much.
A little much for me. I like this. It's got real buttons for volume and stuff, too.
Like buttons, toggles.
And then all your AC controls are down here, and they're real knobs and buttons. So that's very easy to use.
Oh, yeah, you showed the gauge package. So
I don't
nice.
think I have yet. It's very cool, though.
That's AEV.
They put their own gauges in there, and then there's
great job.
buttons over here. It's hard to see
Yeah.
for like locking the diffs and stuff, off-road mode, and the auxiliary lights also over there next to
it
you.
is, though. It is not making the noises that Jeeps make.
No, it's very quiet.
I've had a couple in my day, and they're a little noisy. This one is super quiet, and you can just tell it's stout. Grabbing this handle, you just know you're holding on to it.
It really seems like AEV brought the Jeep up to the level that people expect it to be when they buy one.
Mm-hmm. This will do it all.
Yeah, this is nice. And with the Dana 60 rear axle, Dana 44, I believe, front axle.
Yep.
Massive 37-inch tires. You could take this off-roading. It's got the steel, like, rock guards on the side. Big steel stamped bumpers front and back, so the winch is mounted solid. So you really don't have to worry about banging this thing up or, like, crushing your rockers on accident. You got a lot of steel in the way.
They did a great job. Good for you, AEV. Now, I don't care about that little bump up there now.
No, we can do the bean test.
Let the trash guy get up there a little bit. All right,
Yeah.
now I'm going to go.
Very nice. That's a good sound in Hemi.
The sound.
You get a lot of like engine intake noise too, because it's got that short ram snorkel cold air intake.
It does. It sounds great, and I'm telling you right now, this drives. I did not expect this. I did not expect this at all, but it is a solid Jeep. Wow.
Yeah, it's not super like floaty, or it doesn't even feel top heavy really.
That's rare. It's rare with these things.
It's probably because the wheelbase is so much longer. It feels a little more stable.
Everything is just so solid. Really like this Jeep. And I like the windows right here. That's pretty funny. I didn't expect that.
Yeah, the window buttons are in the middle. It took me forever to find those to roll them down in the booth. Very nice. And these come off. The roof panels are removable. You got speakers up here. Got your dome lights. Very nice.
Great build. Man,
fantastic.
This is going to sound great on the old flybys.
I think so. Now, the exhaust is on the driver's side, so going by the first time, it's going to be facing away from you.
Oh, okay.
But on the way back, you'll get the exhaust pointing right at you.
There you go. All right, I'm going to jump down. I'll take your microphone.
Sounds good.
Very nice. The Brute double cab. Good for you, AEV. It's honestly, and I've had a couple in my life. Jeeps are fun. They get through everything. I do love them. But that's one of the tightest Jeeps I've ever driven. That is not a normal Jeep. Here he comes, folks. I've never heard a Jeep sound like that. Nice.
Hello.
Nice horn.
I wasn't prepared for the power of the Hemi.
No, it sounded great, dude.
Yeah, you get in a Jeep like this and you're so used to that V6 that's kind of gutless, not gonna lie. This is tremendous.
This is tremendous.
Does it make a good noise?
Wait until you replay this. You're gonna love it. Yes, way better on this side than the other. Oh my God, it did not sound like a Jeep, dude.
No, it looks amazing, sounds amazing,
right,
drives amazing, and it's built to last. It's got a lot of awesome.
It's solid.
I know,
I
very
mean, the thing's
solid.
not moving.
And it only has 20,000 miles on it.
I know, it's like brand new, man. Enjoy.
And it was just serviced because it says the next service is due at 24/1.
You got plenty of time.
Very nice. You ready to take it back?
Let's go.